What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best PC cases that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Thermaltake Tower 200, aptly named Tiny but Mighty, builds on the success of the compact Tower 100, introducing exciting new features. Standing at 537mm in height, 300mm in width, and 280mm in depth, it offers remarkable versatility, accommodating both Mini-ITX motherboards and powerful 4090 graphics cards. With a stunning large vertical tempered glass front panel that can be easily removed for maintenance, the Tower 200 provides effortless access to its interior. Perforated metal side panels maximize airflow, enhancing thermal performance. This case prioritizes cooling with a unique chimney effect, pulling in cool air from the bottom and expelling hot air out the top. It supports various hardware configurations, including CPU coolers up to 200mm in height and graphics cards up to 280mm in length, 380mm without the power cover. The Tower 200 is also compatible with ATX 3.0 PSUs and accommodates multiple fan setups, along with options for water cooling. In addition to its functional design, the Tower 200 features two pre-installed CT 140mm standard fans, removable dust filters, and a GPU stabilizer for secure graphics card placement. Furthermore, it offers customization through an optional LCD panel kit, allowing real-time monitoring or personalized displays via TT-RGB plus 2.0 software. In summary, the Thermaltake Tower 200 is a compact powerhouse, combining sleek aesthetics with exceptional functionality, making it the ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking a stylish and efficient case for their high-end components like the 4090 graphics card. The Corsair iCUE 220T RGB Airflow is a feature-packed mid-tower ATX smart case designed for PC enthusiasts seeking optimal performance and stunning aesthetics. This compact case boasts a high airflow layout, ensuring efficient cooling with 3 SP120 RGB Pro fans included, providing vibrant RGB lighting that's customizable through the Corsair iCUE software. Its stylish design is available in black and white finishes, featuring asymmetrical ventilation slots on the front panel, giving it a unique look. Practicality meets style with its easily accessible front panel, allowing quick access to fans and a steel grille front panel for excellent air intake. The case prioritizes cable management with a full-length PSU shroud, cable pass-throughs for the GPU, and rubber grommets to maintain a tidy interior. Versatility is a key feature, supporting various fan configurations, including options for 3x120mm or 2x140mm fans in the front, 2x140mm or 2x120mm fans in the roof, and a single 120mm fan in the rear. Moreover, it accommodates a 240mm all-in-one cooler on the roof. Storage options are plentiful, with room for two 2.5-inch trays and an additional removable cage that can house either 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives. The case is compatible with Corsair Link and iCUE software, allowing dynamic RGB lighting synchronization across all compatible Corsair products, including fans, LED light strips, DDR4 memory, keyboards, and mice, creating a visually cohesive and stunning system setup. For enthusiasts seeking both performance and aesthetics, the Corsair iCUE 220T RGB Airflow stands as an excellent choice. The Fractal design Torrent Nano stands out as a compact powerhouse in the Mini-ITX case category. Although compact, it surprises with its larger dimensions, measuring 14.8 by 8.7 by 16.4 inches, HWD. A smaller iteration of the full-sized Fractal design Torrent, this Mini-ITX case inherits beloved features from its predecessor. Designed for optimal cooling, the Torrent Nano maximizes airflow with an unobstructed base intake, an open front grille, and a powerful 180 by 38mm fan, ensuring efficient cooling straight out of the box. Its front fan brackets allow unblocked airflow to the fan, catering to standard radiator sizes for additional cooling options. Internally, the case offers a streamlined open layout with ample headroom for components and cooling solutions. It supports standard radiator sizes up to 240 mm in the front, facilitated by included fan adapter brackets. The case, available in black and white finishes, provides customization options with a choice between metal side panels or moderately substantially tinted glass panels. In terms of accessories, the Torrent Nano comes with an accessory box containing screws and other essentials, a user manual, extra front fan brackets, and a GPU support bracket. With its efficient cooling design, versatile internal layout, and customization options, the Fractal design Torrent Nano proves to be a top choice for Mini-ITX enthusiasts seeking a compact yet powerful case for their high-performance builds. Cooler Master has raised the bar with their latest release, the MasterBox MB530P, a flagship model in their new series that builds upon the excellence of its predecessors. Designed for enthusiasts who appreciate the aesthetic allure of addressable RGB lighting in glass, the MB530P is a showstopper, with 3 tempered glass panels that beautifully showcase your components from every angle. A standout feature is the inclusion of an RGB controller, simplifying the customization of your lighting theme. The right tempered glass side panel features a partial tint, concealing the cables from the power supply. This, combined with the provided metal cable cover, ensures effortless and clean cable management, allowing you to achieve a polished look effortlessly. Internally, the MB530P offers top-notch functionality. It includes high-quality rubber grommets, ample zip-type points, and well-placed openings, making it a breeze to install and organize your components. Moreover, it's fully equipped for water cooling enthusiasts, accommodating up to 360 mm radiators in the front and 240 mm radiators on top. In essence, the Cooler Master MasterBox MB530P is not just a case, it's a canvas for your creativity. With its premium features, stunning aesthetics, and thoughtful design, it's an ideal choice for PC builders who want both style and substance in their systems. The Fractal design North redefines gaming PCs, transforming them into stylish additions to living spaces. This mid-tower ATX case introduces natural materials and bespoke details, creating a unique blend of aesthetics and functionality. The case features fine-patterned mesh ventilation and an open front adorned with real walnut or oak panels, complemented by sleek brass or steel accents and an integrated tab for convenient top access. Inside, the North offers an intuitive layout and generous compatibility. It comes with two 140 mm aspect PWM fans, accommodating GPUs up to 355 mm or 300 mm with a 360 mm front radiator. The case includes two combined 3.5-inch 2.5-inch drive mounts and two dedicated 2.5-inch drive mounts, with room to expand to a total of 4 140 mm or 6 120 mm fans. The mesh version provides additional fan positions, including a fan hub and fan bracket. Available in black and white, the North offers customization options such as metal side panels or moderately substantially tinted glass panels. Its high-quality materials and attention to detail contribute to a wife approval factor, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Its compact dimensions save space, seamlessly blending your PC into your living area or workspace. The Fractal design North offers a harmonious fusion of design and performance, setting a new standard for gaming PC aesthetics.